When it comes to on-page SEO, there are 15 elements that truly carry weight, but let's focus on the heavy hitters. First up, title tags. They're your first impression in search results, so make them count with relevant keywords. Next, meta descriptions. While not a direct ranking factor, they influence click-through rates, so craft them to entice. Then, we have header tags. Use H1 for your main title and H2S for subheadings to structure your content effectively. Don't overlook image alt text. It boosts accessibility and helps search engines understand your visuals. Internal linking is crucial too. Linking to other pages on your site keeps users engaged and spreads link equity. Lastly, page speed and mobile friendliness are non-negotiable. A fast, responsive site improves user experience and search rankings. Remember, optimizing these elements can significantly enhance your SEO strategy and drive more traffic to your site.